Hey everyone, welcome back to Kathy's Life. Well, I finally got my other IT Cosmetics brow gel yesterday and I ordered it in blonde. I told you last week whenever I demoed the universal taupe that I wasn't completely sold on the color because I found it was a little too dark. So I went ahead, I bought the blonde and we're going to compare them. I'm going to do one brow in each color and then we're going to decide which is the best shade for me. So thank you all so much for your input last week. I think that the taupe really did help my eyes to pop, especially when I'm wearing a mask. But I'm just curious to see what the blonde looks like because I think that I personally would feel more comfortable going around every day with just a blonde brow just because that's what I'm used to. But anyways, we're gonna give it a go and we're gonna try both. Now, if you want a more detailed review, go check out the video that I will link below and I'll put a card up there where I tell you all about the product, tell you about the shades that's available, and you can see my first impressions. So I think we're going to start with, let's start with the taupe because we know what to expect with that one. So there's the taupe, and I think we'll put the taupe on my left eye. So you can see it really makes my eye pop. I'm just combing through right now. So that's the taupe on that eye. So I'm so excited. I want to know what the blonde looks like. I wonder if I'm even going to be able to see it. Okay. Okay, well, right out of the gate, I really don't notice that big of a difference, honestly. However, my preference is the blonde just because it is a better match to the eyebrow hair that I do have. I don't know if it can show on camera, but it's just softer. It's not as bold as this color. Honestly, at this point, I really don't think I could go wrong with either color or either shade. But if I had to choose one, my personal preference would be for the blonde, just because it is a shade lighter, I think. This one, it just seems to have a little more, a darker brown in it, if that makes sense. But really, close up, I hope you can see this clearly. So this is the blonde on this side. Like, I really don't see that big of a difference. What do you think? Yeah, like it's not that noticeable. Like, I think if I went around today with one brow, one blonde, and one taupe, like, I don't think anybody's gonna really call me out on it. It's not that noticeably different. So anyways, I thought that was a fun experiment that we could do. Actually, I'm going to finish. I'm in the middle of filming a Get Ready With Me. I tried out a new foundation today you might be interested in. It's by Guerlain. And I also did a review on the Wander Beauty mascara. So I'm doing 4 videos within one Get Ready With Me, so I'm just trying to keep my head straight with everything that I gotta do. But now I'm just gonna go over the taupe eyebrow, just to tone it down a little bit with the blonde. So that way I don't have to wash my eyebrows off and fix my makeup there. I think I need to get my eyebrows waxed, but I don't know if any of the places around here are waxing. So there you have it. What do you think? This is blonde, this is taupe. And there's 2 other colors. There's auburn and there's a dark brown. Because there's four different universal shades in the IT Cosmetics Brow Power Filler. I like it. It's definitely a product that I would use every day. I like a brow mascara. But my favorite all-time brow product is the IT Cosmetics Universal Brow Pencil, because it's one shade, it's universal. You can make it more intense by just pressing harder with the pencil. So there we have it. There are my brows. What do you think? So if you're new here, I hope you'll subscribe for more fun and easy makeup and skincare videos. I try and upload twice a week. I'm trying to get back to my regular schedule of Mondays and Thursdays at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you enjoy makeup videos, please give this one a thumbs up. That just lets me know to make more. Have a great day, stay safe, and I will see you soon. Bye.